at which I want to hear Jumano, it was marvelous. President Akoho number 1, Wakoho number 2.
Fellow Ghanaians.
And Ra Okosio Tumfo. Kwesiada when Shano Petom no won't tiase. Shen baby fufu. Limpeni for her. Now won't to me or say President Shen bottom the president.
I don't know.
Obi oya Galamsey ayese. Ya kwa ni Galamsey site. Akwa say ni niyama no. Eti president say was suspended bosome frɛ ho MC no. The Galamsey Ghanaian Galamsey campaign. Won't to me no the president echi. Nana Addo to me nya akukudro de ne kotena otumfo anim. Owie no twa otumfo mpoa. O se dey won wa o mse onye hwe wa shatero gina o mani afira. Really? Kwa bere hene wani afira. Listen to him again. I just would it you know. Say a president.
Matete se nkofo mi na Africa so me ba na sentiment mu menye adwuma bia wa ha. Yo, mate. De me ba me ene kusi nkwada na ene be chese ampa ma ye adwuma wa ha na menye adwuma wa ha. Abi da mizi aye adwuma pa. Matete se nkofo mi na Africa so me ba na sentiment mu menye adwuma bia wa ha. Yo, mate.
Pause na mami. Nana Addo suro so obeka say you onua TV any onua FM any Captain Smart osuro oye be ma mo yedi ne nka sam nkyere no. He's not the only man in town. Ono ya bato da me na e be ma o ye obi anto aba ma ye ba e be ma yo nkyina ho
na odo ha no mo to ama me a na mo to ama me
say enkrofo bi ne nam no mo keka sa wonya hwe
I don't know.
ne wa ye dan wa chatereji Anana.
Fellow Ghanaians.
I didn't tell my TV in take one. Yay, I didn't tell my TV in take one. Oh, what? Ha! Me. My catch me team say after this week, me can Galamsey assembly. Do you know why? Nana Addo is actively involved in Galamsey. So he can never ever stop Galamsey. Your president, my president, our president is actively involved in Galamsey. So he can never ever stop Galamsey. All these things are nothing but just a mere rhetorics. And I'll prove that to you. What suspended bosome frɛ ho? Manson kwanta this is soto. Don't pepesa MC sort ho. Areas na yet to Galamsey no. Our western region. And other part of Ashanti region. Eastern region wa ugeta no. Yet to Galamsey no. Or equalizing what Muhammad did and Muhammad said, sir. Chebi is the headquarters of Galamsey. It's a sustainable so my friend who they are. Equalizing Ashanti region. I've told you this man is just trying to do anything to bring the glory of Otumfuo down. But listen, Otumfuo is paramount chief. Onya mahine. Watra mahine. Because he's involved in Galamsey. Okay, watch this. You see, Paula Foko, Kwabena Japan, Sami Crab, they were doing something against the MPP party. Party. So say a register and say to me, Juma. Easy, mommy, we'll grab it to catch us our license, my red draw.
I don't know.
These three gentlemen were suspended from my party, the New Patriotic Party. Now, you have a regional chairman who is killing the people of this country. Oya Galamsey. If Nana Addo is not actively involved, why was we following him? But you see, what to me said that the president is right in his pocket. Nana Addo shed bottom.
Fellow Ghanaians.
Now me too so far the shed bottom. Then I come meeting. Who can then actually first say so far because he's right in this pocket. If you have a regional chairman who can boldly tell the entire country that the president is right in my pocket and nobody under the sun can do anything to me, and the president can go visit the region twice in less than 1 month, all because Onuya TV went there. No, then you follow now. He's right there. He's right there. Confirmed or otherwise of it.
Captain Smart.
Lands and Natural Resources Minister. Your friend Senkra. Abujina Pomwa. Okwashanti region. Confirmed or otherwise of it. Chama won't be in Sasa Koshinasu. Catch on the plane. I want Dominic Musa. What say, Majuma? Part in the Wusikasa or the room. Yenya Yadisika room and another Abba Power no. Or yin in success or by she minister soon. And be so chama won't mean some monachi. Sachamanjai.
You get it?
Who born dog? Where did he get that audacity and that disrespect from? A mere regional chairman? Say who you will say can be shit a cabinet minister soon. Really? Confirmed or otherwise? I was told Nana Addo was informed about it. And you still allow such a thing to follow you. May after this week, Aji penny be pa can be or Galamsey who. Men can Galamsey assemble after this week. You know why? The president is actively involved in Galamsey. Because he's right in the pocket of the Ghanaian Galamsey campaign. Chema want to be. Tieno. I want you to listen to the president. Check in the dimina. Asa, if you can't jam city, I say jam city. Or aha! He just went to Mensia to treat him, Mensia. Tieno.
The Bible and Kusim Quadana and a bed says, Ampa, my Edmawahana, Minya Jumawaha. I mean, Mizia Jumapa. Nearly 300 kilometers of asphaltic road. That was at Memo. I look at Kumasi 100 kilometers a year or Hano. Enka 100 kilometers a year or the urban roads. 32 separate hospital projects in Ashanti in my time since I came into office. One year I said, one day I said, that intro. And the fra and the babu my it's me who baby I want to struggle. I never go so I'm there. Nana send me breast so hano. I send Bonnie see Ghana no Casa or Hono Apejapa.
What's the name, mommy? I say, one way I saw Modi and the fra. Really?
Fellow Ghanaians.
One more would Nana Addo Chirmon catcher said the word and the fry and cow tomb for him. Naponot, I found an opportunity or dodge. President, I can't summer young cow could not catch him.
Fellow Ghanaians.
Why a quaint one, I catch a woman who know when near Fra, Quabre, Nana, and I quite dark and I shall we any friend. This is a president. People are saying that we are not respecting him, and we should respect him. He goes before a king of this country and spew nothing but insult. Somebody any fra. Oh, auntie, or two for any fra. So I can say near my back one. I'm you know, assessing a year, and my sentiment fan into my preferano. Yeah, no. Oh, here, what down man yard were brew. Nana Addo so when you fra.
the year cry.
Never care. What's one year fra? Tafo yene one year fra.
Market the year cry.
You see? But Obia Sroso Bekas some way. It is because Onia went to Kumasi.
Onia
Akuma FM.
32 hospital projects. God bless you, Your Excellency.
Onia.
They're in 6 years. Patro ready here no one kofa for me na nka 32 ne honya wo dia.
Captain Smart.
Kumewu enkofa nka ho. Seria enkofa nka ho. Konongo enkofa nka ho. Bekwai memfa nka ho. Afari enfa nka ho. Hey bra. Project was starting agenda 111. And a one can say overly ambitious. We know, you see, you have disappointed the people of the Ashanti region. And we are also disappointed in you. It's who baby I fa the enfa. Wo ye katasumo mu aso. Listen, my cancer monchra. One year ya menka say why because enipa na ye wa Ashanti region no. Who adwen ye see eni afra. Nana Addo ye ni fry.
Fellow Ghanaians.
Sabi fremo pare. So your chief of staff. Or any friend you think have fa no. Na po. Or your energy minister. Na ni afra ka be fa no. Enu na mo tun fo kan say. Na dia ni kakra ya say fridge mama no kura no. Asai. Eto tun fo ni afra me bo Nana Addo. Jesus Christ. Look, the handlers of the president. Munkacha said, Jeno, na you don't want any president or Ghana. How? Kufuor Dibi. Kwame Nkrumah Dibi. Liman Dibi. Busi Dibi. Mills Dibi. Mahama Dibi. Jeno, oh yes, now osre. Okay, somebody here na osre. But that is not what I'm going to talk about today. You see, me, there's one thing about me.
Captain
I will
Smart.
tell you the plain truth. Wupa na wafa. Wupa na wajai.
He is smart. He is unique.
Eshiwa.
He is the best.
Fansa.
Captain Smart
Eya
is the
oza.
king.
If so we ye year meka de bia meka national ambulance pa my brother Nana Addo din kane the whole country president Abafi Kwame Nkrumah time ebesi Nana Addo time he's the only person on Ghana ho when it comes to ambulance
Today,
me Canada but there you say when could you reach that you have to two stores him and go for say dollar boy the cost now we know him say you near frefra and go for me and I'm say when you're here now one can say you don't fat you see about who's why here now when you're here you see I don't know Nipa advising Nana Addo.
Today,
And you see, what is my pain? My pain is that this party is the party of truth. It's not a party of lies. And you see, the president is peddling serious lies. Roads now we are Ashanti region. And a quite before say, Mama Quay.
And I watch it through move the.
Who could we apre? Yes, a contractor didn't go road, no, so check. Na me amini anma santifoi. He ma me nka sebo enkyira mo. Edumra nipa bi obedi president no. So free MPP mo. So free NDC mo. Say the mato stores mu no. Ye nya ne sama no. No nchene ho ase. Say the be ya obia ni wo obefa Ashanti region for granted. Obia ni wo obefa Greater Accra, Central region, Western region, Northern region, Upper East, Upper West, Easty, and Volta. Mesamu 16 region no a useless created. Uselessly created. Then I see all regions living with Hokra coordinating director nya baby na. Galamsey, me say president is actively involved in Galamsey. So he can never to be stopping Galamsey da. Aje he's able to deal with Chemawu to me. One of the founding fathers of the MPP was Ashanti region, your friend Kwabena something, I've forgotten the name. Or say president I you know went to me and tia won to me won to me Marcus Sanema Weja Yusuo I say that I want the site etwa to me say ya hye say won to me ya say won to me na ya lo won to me niama say on Yusuo no and ya kwafa petro pete so and ya twa ja tum Nana Addo, who are you deceiving? Are you deceiving me? Listen, you are deceiving the Ghanaian against the party you claim to love. And journalists now cannot tell you